Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Citroen Berlingo Enterprise. Now this van is finished in the wonderful grey metallic paintwork and is in super order throughout. Now this particular van has got the the wheel trims which really look smart on it, and the Enterprise has then fully colour coded exterior bodywork. This one is the phase 2, so it's got the LED daytime running lights in the bumper and also has the front fog lamps. As you can see, it's finished in fantastic order. The paintwork along the front of the vehicle is in super condition. This van has done just over 57,000 miles and is again taken in part exchange from ourselves on a brand new van from a catering company, so very lightly used, as you can see when I start showing you around it. Looking down the sides of the vehicle, it's in super order. Really nothing I could sort of show you that would be detrimental to this vehicle. Now if you're looking for an Enterprise, you'll know that they come fully loaded, so this is a lovely specification. So as well as having the fully colour coded bumpers and door handles, side mouldings, it comes with reverse parking sensors. We've got the nice bumper protector there to stop any scratches as you're unloading and loading the van. The wheel trims, which I have mentioned. And then taking a look down that driver's side again, you'll see it's in superb condition. Everything about this vehicle would be great on somebody's drive. There's nothing that would really detract from it. Now, inside the van, this is where it really is very nice. So, 3 seats in the front there. However, the centre seat is semi-small, but it is seat belted and they are insured to have 3 people in. Enterprises come fully loaded, so we get the full electric windows, electric door mirrors, parking sensors. We've got 2 keys with it. We've got cruise control, Bluetooth telephone, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, firing her up there. We'll service it before it leaves Alpha Motors in Wigan. There's 3 services before that. You can see there's no warning lights on the dashboard. We've got the telematic Navman device as well. That unplugs and just fits away so it doesn't get damaged or stolen. We've got air conditioning, front electric windows. We can have central locking the rear of the cabin as well as opening, but the driver's seats for the passenger fold up, to which then we have a storage facility for your bits and bobs, maybe sandwiches, flask, computer. The other seat there, if you have a look at the pictures I have done, it folds down, so literally blue one there drops down there like so. Look at that, hey presto, I can fit my ladders, a bit more, another 3-4 foot section of wood. Superb in every way. Satellite navigation is there, so you put your bits and your whatever in and off you go. Menu is then there, so we've got media, settings, Bluetooth, van, driving, so what's that? 108 miles left in the tank of diesel. So look at that, van's been doing 44.7 miles to the gallon over the last 987 miles, and the average speed is 19 miles an hour. So all round town, I think that's pretty good. That, if that was my van, I'd be happy with that. 57,473, as I did say, 5-speed gearbox. Now, what we'll have a look, I'll open the back. You can lock it and open it. When the light's on there, it's locked. When the light's off, it's unlocked. I don't smoke. I can tell that the last owner hasn't smoked in the van either. Taking a look at those seats, as you can see, they are in lovely clean condition. No cigarette burns, no damage, no sealer, paint. As I say, the company that owned this one have taken a new vehicle from us, and they were, as I say, I'm sure catering engineers, so as you can imagine they've got to be clean and professional. So we've got a fully plywood lined vehicle. On the sides as well, it's all in very nice order throughout. We've got illumination lights there as well. As I did say, we've got that protector there for your bumper, side loading door, panels on the rear, those doors will open up as well. But what a fantastic van. Wheel arches, wheels, tyres are all in exceptional order. No reason that anything would detract. Side loading door slides with ease. No real damage on any of the plastics. Looking at the backs of the seats, where normally if you've had heavy weights they've all been scratched. There's the facility for storing your invoices, order forms, clipboards. But what a fantastic vehicle. Really, really nice, clean, metallic grey Berlingo. Everything that was there when it was new is still here today. So 2 keys, book pack, service book, all's there. What more do you want? So if this is a van for you, we'll take your old van in part exchange. Give me a call in Wigan. I'm Graham. There's Dominic and there's Lee, my colleagues on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. It'll be prepared to the highest of standards, so it'll go through our workshop. It'll get serviced before you come and collect it. We can take a £250 reservation deposit if you only wanted to come to Wigan once. At which point then, if you're not happy with the vehicle's condition or anything about the vehicle, we'll give you £250 back. But let me tell you this, be assured, have a look on our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer. We've been doing this for over 40 years now in Wigan. Have a look at our Facebook and social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country collecting their new vehicles, vans, cars, pickups, just like you are at the moment. So, as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.